Well, to create a watch list on Webull, what you're going to want to do is come to your home screen here and tap on these little three lines over here on the left side of the screen. It's going to give you this option to switch from your positions to your watch list. And if you don't have a watch list set, it'll prompt you to create one. But you can see here, this is my watch list here. We've got the Dow Jones, we've got the NASDAQ, we've got Google, and we've got Apple stock. So this is a very basic watch list. But if you want to add more stocks to this list, what you can do is press add symbol. You just search for whatever company you want. Say we want to add Tesla to our watch list. We can just press this little plus over here and boom, it's added to our watch list. So that is a very easy way to get stocks onto your watch list. However, what if you wanted to create a brand new watch list, okay, and have multiple watch lists going? Say you wanted to have one for smaller stocks or larger stocks or short term or long term or whatever. How you're going to do that is you're going to go in your watch list, you'll tap on these three little dots up here in the corner, say edit this list. Okay, what you're going to do from there, you're going to check the box next to one of your stocks that you want to be on the new list, not on this current list, and you're going to press move to. You're going to say new watch list, and you can just title this something like new. And you press save. And do move new, okay, and boom, now you have moved that stock from your current watch list over here. You can tap on the three lines, go to new, and you see we have a new watch list with just Apple in it. So that is how you're going to create new watch lists in Webull. You can have as many as you want, and you can just kind of sort them, name them, whatever you want them to, that will really correspond with whatever you're trying to do. Another way to add a list, if you don't want to do that method, you can just press the add list down here, title it whatever you want. So just title it another. Boom. And now we've got a whole another list over here that is currently empty, but we can add stocks to it if we wanted to track them. So that's how you're going to use watch lists in the Webull app. You can use those however you want. In general, it's just best to kind of sort them by what each list kind of means. If it's more of a short-term play, a long-term play, however you're going to use that list, you can use the title to kind of reflect that.